Hello everyone, myself Komal Fopse. I am the lecturer from Shivajirao S. Zondai College of Pharmacy, Asanga. Today, I am going to discuss about the topic that is size reduction from pharmaceutics. Size reduction. What do you mean by size reduction? So, the size reduction is known as comminution or the pulverization. Generally, this process is done by two methods. First one is the precipitation method and second one is the mechanical method. Then importance of particle size reduction. Importance is nothing but the why this size reduction is very important for the preparation of pharmaceutical dosage form. First one is the to increase the rate of solution in case of chemical substances, because reduction of the particle size increases the surface area for the action of solvent. Second, to allow the rapid penetration of the solvent in case of crude drugs for the extraction of active constituents from vegetable and animal drugs. Third, to get a uniform powder, because particle size reduction helps in uniform mixing of drugs required for preparing different formulations for administration. Four, to improve the stability of certain pharmaceutical dosage forms such as suspension. Fifth, to increase the rate of absorption of drug. The smaller the particle size, the greater is the rate of the drug. These five are the importance of particle size reduction. Then there are various factors which affecting size reduction. First one is the hardness, second toughness, then abrasiveness, stickiness, slipperiness, then softening temperature, material structure and moisture content. These all are the factors which affect the size reduction. Today we will discuss about the methods of size reduction. Five methods which we are discussing in this session. First one is the cutting, second one is the compression, third one is the impact, fourth one is the attrition, fifth one is the combined impact and attrition. I will explain you about the firstly combined impact and attrition. There is the two mills which we will learn in this session. First one is the ball mill. Ball mill is the type of grinder used to grind or blend materials for using mineral dressing processes, paints, polytechnics, ceramics and selective laser sintering. Okay, this ball mill works on the principle of impact and attrition. Size reduction is done by impact as the ball drop from near the top of the shell. You can see the image of ball mill which is used in the pharmaceutical industry. Okay, then the principle ball mill works on the principle of impact and attrition. Both are responsible for size reduction. Rapidly moving balls are used for reducing the size of brittle materials. Impact means pressure exerted by two heavy objects. This is nothing but the impact. Then what do you mean by attrition? Attrition means reduce the size of the materials when they collide by heavy weight. Means here in ball mill balls are used as the material. Okay, then construction. In the image you can see the construction. It consists of hollow cylinder which is mounted on a metallic frame in such a way that it can be rotated on its longitudinal axis. The cylinder contains ball that occupy 30 to 50% of the mill volume. The weight of the ball is kept constant. The ball size depends on the size of the feed and the diameter of the mill. The cylindrical balls are balls made from the metal and are usually linked with the chrome. In pharmaceutical industry, sometimes the cylinder to the ball is lined with the rubber or porcelain. The balls are used in these mills are also made of rubber or porcelain. Okay, then working of the ball mill. How it works? In case of continuously operated ball mill, the material to be ground is fed from the left through the 60-degree cone and the product is discharged through the 30-degree cone to the right. As the shell rotates, the balls are lifted upon the rising side of the shell and they cascade down, means or drop down onto the feed from near to the top of the shell. In doing so, the particles in between the balls are ground are reduced by the impact. You can see the image from the book in this slide, ball mill, how it works. Okay, then what are the advantages of ball mill? Ball mills the cost of the installation is low, the cost of production is low, it is suitable for materials of all degree of hardness, the grinding medium is cheap, used for the grinding of explosive materials, and it is suitable for both batch and continuous operation. These all are the advantages of the ball mill. Then disadvantages of ball mill. Ball mill is very noisy machine. Abrasive material cannot be ground. It is a slow process. Okay. What are the pharmaceutical uses of the ball mill? The small and average capacity ball mills are used for the final grinding of drugs or for grinding of the suspension. Then second one is the maximum capacity ball mills are used for milling prior to the manufacture of the pharmaceutical chemicals. Thank you.